Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. Today we're building a simple group expense tracker. Let's say you went out to dinner with friends. You have column A, expense, column B, cost, column C, who paid. Now we want to answer two questions. How much did each person actually pay? How much do they owe to make everything even? Step 1. List the expenses. Here's our example. Everyone paid for something, but the group is sharing the total, so now we need the math. Step 2. Calculate how much each person paid. On the right side, we list each person's name. Now we use SUMIF. Use this formula. I'll include it in the description. Here's what it does. C: C arrow the paid by column. E2 arrow the person's name. B: B arrow the cost column. Press enter. Carl paid $20. Copy and paste this formula down. Now we can see. Linda paid $80. That's 20 plus 30 plus 30. Now we know what everyone already contributed. Step 3. Calculate the average share. Next we calculate how much each person should have paid. First, sum all expenses, then divide by the number of people. Use this formula. I'll include this one too. This adds all costs and divides by the count of names. In this example, the average comes out to $40 per person. Step 4. Calculate who owes what. Now we subtract what they already paid from the average. Use this formula. Where F2 is the amount they already paid, copy this down. Now we see. Carl needs to pay $20. Catherine needs to pay $20 and so on. Important. If the number is negative, that means they paid more than average. They are owed money. If the number is positive, they owe money. Step 5. Interpret the results. So now we can clearly see Carl, Catherine and Frank owe money. Dale is owed $20. Linda is owed $40. That means 2 people can pay Linda $20 each. 1 person can pay Dale $20. Everything balances. That's your group expense tracker. Simple, clear, fair. If you want to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. Ask your questions in the comments. And one of these videos on screen is your next Google Sheets breakthrough. I'll see you there.